So, a lot of people have been asking me about a guillotine tool, which I don't offer anymore, but it's got me thinking and scratching my head some, and always looking at my scrap pile and seeing this and that. And so I found these pieces, and I'm thinking, how can I use these to make a sort of different style guillotine tool that I might find useful and that maybe you might find easy to make. First, I want to give a shout out to Dan in the Dales. He ordered a couple of tongs from me, and he was adamant that he wanted this outside the box style tong that I made a while back, the one with the folded over jaws. He thought maybe I could make a video of this tong, basically testing it out, but I've been a little bit busy, and so I figured I could at least just show it. Anyway, Dan's a big supporter of the channel, so thanks, Dan. Back to the regularly scheduled ridiculousness. So I had these two stainless bolts welded on, but I was thinking that if you drilled holes in that horizontal, and that would probably be even better than welding. And if the horizontal piece was long enough, then you could drill a hole to have the hardy shank mounted as well. And I had appropriate holes drilled in these pieces. The largest rounds, though, are just pipe. So my idea is to have kind of a rolling guillotine tool, or sort of like a rolling press on a very mini scale. I'm using this largest piece of pipe as a striking end, which is sort of silly, but it's what I have on hand. So the idea is that this should be pretty adjustable. And in some cases when I'm fullering, I would like the fullers to roll, and I think that would help in drawing out pieces. Originally, my idea was to use it sort of like a rolling press, but I would heat my piece and then horizontally hammer it in order to draw it out, but that doesn't seem like it'll be so successful. Just don't have enough pressure. So this pipe striking end is a last-minute addition to this prototype, just so I can test this tool out, and then later on I can maybe sort out something better. So what I like right off the bat is the ability to fuller in larger radiuses. I need to give a really big shout out to George Calci. He gave me a very generous donation on top of a purchase, and it really goes a long way to helping me out. So thanks a lot, George. I just happen to have these pieces of pipe that fit perfectly over these fullering pieces. Once I sort out a solid striking end, I think I'm just scratching the surface with this tool and the versatility that it might offer. You don't even have to have rolling fullers. You could even have square fullers, maybe triangular fullers, whatever suits your fancy. So I originally envisioned using it like this, and I think I still can for certain things. Maybe laugh, but if you had to make 20 hooks that were almost exactly the same, maybe that'd be a pretty good option. I could cut the ends of this pipe and expose the bolts, and that'd probably make it better and more convenient. For as light duty as this seems, it moves metal surprisingly quickly with me not really striking that hard. I know I can improve on this, and I will, and I'm sure that the comment section will be full of great ideas, other than the odd, "you're an idiot" comment. A lot more fooling around to do, folks.